part 3. I accidentally ended the last one. But yeah. And Jesus loves you all. I wonder where your father is. Yeah, where is he? Hi everyone, I'm back. Finally. Alright, first let's empty out the fridge. Alright, let's just we'll keep the milk and the chocolate milk. But I think I'll go like this. These two are unopened, and I think these are from Justin Flora. That's opened. Alright. Alrighty. Alright, so let's put chicken nuggets in the freezer. More chicken nuggets. Throw that away. The flour can go up here. The banana snacks here. Then we'll just throw these jars away. Alright, and then we'll do this. Alright, I also got some like fish, and I got this. Oop. I also got some steaks. Alright. And then I got this big thing of noodles. I got some eggs. And then I got some bulldog. And then I got some chocolate, some more chips, more chips, more chips, more bulldog, more bulldog, more bulldog. And yeah, that's everything. Alright, that's all. Oh wait, I'm gonna eat the cake or whatever. There we go with that. Alright. What's that smell? It smells like something's burning. Yeah, just gonna that tastes so bad. Was that your cooking? Well, the thing is, ugh. Alright. So, kids, they're snacks. Did you say snacks? What kind of snacks? Chips. Oh my gosh, Nyla, are you joking? Pat's back vigorously. Can you please stop choking? I'm trying to sleep. Don't say that. She was just choking and you're... Bro, that's not cool. I was just choking. And then you're going to tell me to stop? Like, what's the goosey? How about we just, chill? Alright, let's go. Snowstorm. And go look at my channel. I'm gonna be posting a new video about overnight in the mall.